Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset the Karcher K4 pressure washer in 2026. So first of all, you need to turn off the pressure washer. Afterwards, simply unplug it from the power source. So this is important before starting the reset process. Now disconnect the water supply, then press the trigger on the spray gun and hold it for about 10 to 20 seconds. This releases any of the trapped pressure inside the system. Now you need to reconnect the water hose and turn on the water supply, but keep the machine off. Now press the trigger again until water flows smoothly without any air bubbles. This is going to remove the air from the system. Then simply plug the machine back in and turn it on. Then you can test it manually. At this point, most of the issues should be fixed. If the problem continues, you can clean the nozzle tip and you can check the water inlet filter. The blockages can affect the pressure and the performance. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.